So right away, I'll tell you an opportunity that we have is collecting those stories and sharing those stories. You know, everybody loves an underdog and everybody loves seeing a good transformation for the better. So if we can capture the stories from people that are currently living in the house, what's the process they're going through? How are they feeling? How has Gillies House helped them to get closer to their goal? For those that have graduated, what's something that those going into a recovery house need to know? Or people that are struggling, what are things that maybe ways that they made amends with their family, or ways that they've improved the quality of their life after being in Gillies House? All of these things people are looking at, right? And one thing that we're finding is, especially you've got Google being the #1 search engine and YouTube being the #2. I'm willing to bet there are a lot of families that are looking for ways to have an intervention, ways to cope, ways to communicate with someone with an addiction. Those are all probably things where you could make quick videos because you've helped recover so many men in the house. And right away, Gillies House is now brought up. You're sharing stories, but at the same time, you're painting a picture that you're an authority, you're a thought leader in what you're doing, and you want to share your methodologies and framework with others so they can help others too. Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. So I think one of the things when I'm talking to any kind of business owner or nonprofit leader, a lot of the time we just think our own story is, you know, it's okay, whatever, who needs to hear about it?
Right.
But we don't think about all of the characters that are in that story too. So the 21 gentlemen that are in your house right now, great stories. It doesn't even have to be their full story. Is it a fun event or something where they just, like, you saw them smile for the first time after months, you know, or they came out with energy? So my homework for you would be, use the Notes app on your phone, or use just a notepad and pen, and start writing down stories that you could share just by telling them on video.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can also write them. You can write the content as well and put that into your blog. But having video, especially where you're telling me at the beginning, we want to get more on social. We want to grow. The only way you're going to grow is by giving someone an easy to watch video.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And get on YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube is huge.
That's no doubt about it. I've been working on the YouTube channel for the past week. So for sure, it's very powerful.